Hi, welcome back to another episode of Lovesome Everything. Today we have a special collaboration. It is with a company called She Said Yes. If you are in the market for a ring, a wedding ring, an engagement ring, this site has you covered with the most beautiful, affordable jewelry that I have ever seen. So I was very happy that they reached out to me and I was happy to collaborate with them. They let me pick out a ring that is in this box. It is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to show you. But a little information before that. One is they offer engraving for your ring. It's up to 12 words. So that is a feature that they offer, as well as sharing your love story on their wall. If you share your love story on their wall and it gets chosen, you have a opportunity to win like an $800 value ring. So that's an amazing feature also that they offer. You get to read other people's love story as well, and hopefully that makes you smile. Without further ado, let's go ahead and look at what's inside this beautiful box. So the first thing that you will see is this best wishes to you, love lasts forever, when she said yes. And you can fill that out to whomever you're giving the ring to. It does have a card on how to care for your jewelry. And then it has the instructions in here. The next thing that you will see is this bag. And it is super nice. It's a pretty big bag. I'm gonna hold it up here. And it comes with this peachy pinky ribbon that you can tie on there as well. Let me set that to the side. And then, pardon this, it has a little bit of cuticle oil on it. I just did my nails. And look at how beautiful. And then it has the logo right here. When you open it up, the ring will come in its own little plastic bag, and you can put it in here. It also has the size on it, and I believe the price tag as well, which I removed. So this is the gorgeous ring. I'm going to go ahead and take that out of there. The sides are covered in these lab-grown diamonds. This is moissanite. It is 2 carats, and I picked white gold. They have silver, they have gold, 10 carats, 14 carats, 18 carats, different carat stones, but this is the one that I picked. This is what it looks like on your finger. It is absolutely beautiful. I would consider this an engagement ring. And then they do have wedding bands as well. And they are stunning. I wanted to say a sincere thank you so much to She Said Yes for offering to collaborate with me. It means so much to me. Again, I wanted to thank She Said Yes so much for the collaboration offer. I absolutely think your website is amazing, and I love, and I'm happy to be a part of this. If you guys are in the market for some jewelry, head on over to their site. I will leave a link in the description. It will save you some money. I also make a small commission if you want to help me out, but don't feel any pressure. Wherever you are, I hope you're having the most amazing day. Until next time, take care.